In this video, I will show you our advanced security and secrets for your WhatsApp bot. And as always, if you're just finding us, make sure you have your bot deployed by following the Part 1 guide, linked for you right at the top of the description below. Today, we're moving beyond chats and groups and into the world of WhatsApp statuses. Statuses are temporary by design, they last for 24 hours. But have you ever seen a new status from a contact pop up, only to check a few minutes later and find it's gone? They deleted it. It makes you curious, doesn't it? What did they post that they so quickly decided to hide? With your bot, you no longer have to wonder. We are going to enable the Anti-Status Delete module, a feature that automatically saves your contact statuses and recovers them for you if they get deleted. This is a powerful feature, and it's configured a little differently. All of these commands must be sent directly to your bot in your private message chat, not in a group. Let's get started. The first step is to turn the feature on. In my PM with the bot, I'm going to type anti-delete status on. The bot confirms the service is now active. From this moment on, your bot will be monitoring the statuses of your contacts. When someone posts a status, the bot will quietly save a copy. The main function triggers when that person deletes their status before its 24-hour lifespan is up. When the bot detects the deletion, it will automatically send you the saved copy. By default, this recovered status will be sent here, to your private chat with the bot. The module also comes with a few handy management commands. You can check the current configuration at any time by typing anti-delete status show. This will tell you if the service is on or if off. And of course, to turn the whole feature off, you just type anti-delete status off. It's a complete, easy-to-manage system. And with that, you have become a master of ephemeral content on WhatsApp. You've built an incredible toolkit for information recovery. From recovering deleted messages and saving disappearing photos to now seeing revoked statuses, very little can be hidden from you. You have an amazing level of control and information awareness. But there's one final piece to this transparency puzzle. In our very next video, we will complete your surveillance suite by setting up the anti-edit feature, giving you the power to see not just what was deleted, but exactly what was changed. Once you've added that, your bot's picture will be truly complete, and absolutely nothing will be hidden from you. I will see you there.